sunshine out there really heating things up. I don't, you know, in this community, there must be a science now to planning anything, an outdoor event, a wedding or whatever. You have to have a backup place to go and just build it into the contract.
It's so true. It just came out of nowhere really today.
Yeah,
earlier.
fired up around lunchtime, moved west to east across the Louisville Metro area, dumped varying amounts of rainfall. So believe it or not, Louisville Muhammad Ali International Airport picked up about less than 1/10 of an inch of rain today. Bowman Field, 1.5 inches. Douglas Hills got a report of more than 2 inches of rainfall in that area. So it really depends on where you live, and that's what we see here in the summertime months, especially when we have slow moving storms. So even if you see official totals here of less than an inch in some places, know that we can have varying higher amounts, especially where you see the green dots that we picked up between 1 inch to 2 inches plus since midnight last night. Now our rain chances will only increase as we head throughout the rest of the week. I will say a good chunk of your Thursday will be dry. It'll be hot, it'll be humid, temperatures approaching 90 degrees, could have a spotty shower east in the morning. That's as that moves out, and then we wait for a bigger system to roll in tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and into Friday. Between Friday and Saturday, we'll have waves of showers and thunderstorms due to a slow-moving front tracking through the region. It does look to push down to the south on Sunday, and then we dry out as we head into next week, and we have more of a ridging pattern take over. So that means more heat, some humidity, and more sunshine. So our excessive rainfall outlook, we've basically been under a marginal risk about every day this week. Our ground is saturated. We have high rainfall rates. And as we've seen, all you need is slow moving storms to cause flash flooding, a very quick 2 to 3 inches in some spots. Now, as we carry on into Thursday night, this gets upgraded to a slight risk, level 2 out of 4 on this risk for flash flooding. And we basically stay in the yellow here Friday, Saturday, before this all pushes down to the south on Sunday, and then we'll dry out, as I mentioned, as we carry on into next week. So because of that, yes, we do have a flood watch in effect. This goes into effect Thursday afternoon, but really those showers and storms don't roll in until closer to sunset, if not after sunset tomorrow night. Off and on, waves of showers and thunderstorms possible through about Saturday night. So be prepared for some waves of heavy rainfall. Thankfully, no active flash flood warnings in effect. Those that were issued earlier in the day were allowed to be canceled early. Max HD radar. We have some pockets, though, still of some heavy rainfall. Of course, anytime you see the reds on the radar, you know that's a high rainfall rate. So we're tracking that kind of at this point on the outskirts of the Kentuckiana viewing area here, and we'll continue to hold a scattered storm chance through this evening. Typically, once the sun sets, we lose a lot of that daytime heating, the fuel, but we could still have a spotty shower really trending off to the east tomorrow morning. Otherwise, tomorrow will be the hottest day that we've had this week, with temperatures rising into the upper 80s, and then we wait for these storms that are off to the west during the evening hours, increasing in coverage. Some of these could be strong with gusty winds. That's what we're paying attention to for the severe weather potential. Otherwise, heavy rainfall remains that greatest threat and greatest impact as we carry on off and on throughout your Friday. More waves of rain possible on Saturday. Now, once that clears, we do have a dry stretch of weather on the way next week, with temperatures rising back into the lower 90s beginning on Tuesday. We'll be right back after this break.